The meaning of the name of the Vhembe, Limpopo city of Thohoyandou is the head of the elephant. Whilst the elephants in these rooms are the problems of poverty and HIV and AIDS, the Far North Community Care and Development Programme, based on the outskirts of the city, focuses its attention on child and youth care in 15 villages not far from the city, where, if anything, the problems are even worse. Far North have recognised they can't be everywhere to help at once, and they believe their creation of childcare forums in each village is a simple but effective best practice example.
As an organization, we realize that we cannot work as isolated. We are operating in 15 villages. So in those villages, we form a forum in which those forums will look after the children whilst we are not there as a part of community involvement. So this forum is composed of different people like doctors, nurses, teachers, civic members, traditional leaders. So they come together and they form a structure in the community so that those children can, their needs can be met holistically.
So, for instance, if a child needs spiritual support, a pastor from the forum can provide counselling. The same if the child needs to consult with a social worker or whoever. All those with specialist childcare skills are represented in the forum. So far, over 1,000 children have been helped through this project, 53 community caregivers trained, and 36 forum members taught not only what their roles and responsibilities are, but also given training in psychosocial support. The forums operate often autonomously, thereby offering help to children quickly as soon as a need has been established.
Those people are working even if we're not there. The children, they are referring children to relevant stakeholders. They themselves can mobilize resources on themselves depending on the need of the child or on the need of the family. So even those people who need maybe assistance for shelter, traditional leaders, they are the ones who are supporting in that by giving letters to maybe authorizing that this child really needs a shelter. So in that regard, we are also working with counselors. So they intervene so that children can have shelter. So in other villages, they have started trust funds so that they can have money. So after these children have passed matric, the community themselves can pay maybe registration fees if maybe a child needs that kind of money.
Some forum members have donated enough money to cover university fees for young people in their village who have needed such support. The Far North Project believes overall this psychosocial support is a good best practice example because the results are sustainable, with the project owned by the community at the end of the day. And at the end of this particular day in Vhembe, the Far North organisation is creating a better tomorrow for the youth and children of this part of Limpopo.